Despite the rapid rise of automation, private labeling, and global brand building, arbitrage continues to thrive in 2026, and for good reason. Arbitrage still works because the foundation of commerce remains the same. Markets are inefficient, and prices fluctuate across platforms. Those who can identify and act on those gaps will always find profit. At its core, arbitrage works because of one universal truth. No two marketplaces are perfectly synchronized. Retailers adjust prices differently based on supply, demand, location, and competition. That creates thousands of small price mismatches every single day. When you use data and technology to find those gaps, you can turn inefficiency into opportunity. Even as AI becomes more powerful, human insight still plays a role. Algorithms can detect profitable products, but human judgment determines whether a niche has staying power, whether a product is seasonal, or whether a listing will face competition. This balance between automation and intuition keeps arbitrage adaptable and resilient. Another reason arbitrage remains viable is that e-commerce is expanding faster than ever. With new marketplaces like TikTok Shop, Walmart Marketplace, and emerging regional platforms in Asia and Europe, there's constant flux in pricing structures. Every new platform creates new opportunities for sourcing and reselling. AI hasn't replaced arbitrage, it has supercharged it. Tools now monitor stock levels, alert sellers to restocks, and automatically reprice listings for maximum profit. Instead of spending hours searching for deals, sellers can spend their time scaling their business, managing relationships, and optimizing strategy. To future-proof your arbitrage business, focus on 3 things: diversification, automation, and compliance. First, diversify your sourcing and selling platforms. Don't rely solely on Amazon or a single region. Build systems that can pivot to Walmart, eBay, TikTok Shop, or even cross-border marketplaces. The broader your reach, the more insulated you are from platform changes or policy shifts. Second, automate intelligently. Use AI-driven tools for product sourcing, repricing, and profit tracking, but keep oversight. The future belongs to sellers who can combine automation with smart decision-making. Let technology do the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy. Third, prioritize compliance and sustainability. The arbitrage landscape is evolving and marketplaces are enforcing stricter brand and authenticity policies. Use automation to track compliance, verify suppliers, and avoid restricted listings. Sellers who build trust with customers and platforms will always stay ahead. Looking ahead, the arbitrage model will continue to evolve. Margins may tighten in saturated niches, but new categories like AI-enabled devices, sustainable goods, and creator-led products will open entirely new opportunities. In 2026 and beyond, arbitrage works not because of shortcuts, but because of systems. Success belongs to sellers who treat it like a data-driven business, leverage technology, and continually adapt. The future of online commerce will always reward those who understand inefficiency and move faster than the competition. That's why arbitrage isn't dying, it's transforming, and those who innovate with it will continue to win.